Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is the right JSON date format. Actually, there is nothing specified in particular by the JSON about the date format, but the JavaScript does has a date format. It is easy to read. All right, so we're gonna simply use this. Date format here. First of all, let me just tell you how can we get this format in the JavaScript. So for that, I'm gonna create a variable date, and I'm gonna use the method dot to ISO string. Now I'm gonna simply console log date. Alright, run this. As you can see here, we have the date format here, but still it is not in the JSON format. So first of all, we have to convert it into the JSON format. So I'm gonna create a variable date JSON and JSON dot phi date. Alright, so this will simply convert this into the JSON format. So I'm gonna simply console log this again. Alright, so let's just run it. Okay, so this is it. The first value is not in the JSON format, but we have converted our date format into the JSON format. And this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.